The Balgony estate is located in Balgony Barns in East Lothian. It's around 2 miles from North Berwick and approximately 35 minutes from Edinburgh. The sunflower fields cover an impressive 14 acres, with winding trails, photo spots and the options to pick your own flowers. The daytime trail currently costs £18 per car, which covers up to 5 visitors. The ticket gives you up to 2 hours in the sunflower fields, while individual sunflowers cost £1 per stem if you want to pick your own.